Hi guys, welcome back to another Halloween special of Drawing for Kids. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper plate silhouette. All you're going to need is your paper plate, your pencil and a black piece of card and paper. You're going to need some bright colour paint, some scissors and a glue stick. Go get all your things ready and we'll get started. Okay, so step one is going to be us painting the face of our plate. Okay, so you can use any colour that you want to, as long as it's a bright colour. And what I need you to do is to colour the whole of the plate in. Take your time, don't need to rush it. You can use any colour you want to. I'm just going to stick with orange and yellow. Don't forget, once it's fully done, you need to let it dry before you move on to step two. Okay, second step, the reason for our black card is this is where we're going to draw our Halloween themed silhouette. So I've done a few earlier just to give you a few examples. So we've got a cat, a bat and a witch. For this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the bat and the cat. But like I said, you are more than welcome to draw any of your own ideas. So for the bat, we need to start off with bat ears, which are two triangles and then the line in between. Then what we'll do is we need to arch over for the wing. And then arch back in to the point. We'll do the same on the other side for the other wing. Again, arch round. Finally join it up. There, like that. For the cat, again we'll start at the top. We'll start with the two triangle ears. A bit of a longer gap in the middle. Then we need to make the head more of a oval shape to come down to the long neck, like so. And we need to draw the cat's body. So come arch out and down. We'll start doing the cat's tail on this side. We can finish off the cat body on this side. Push that one round. And finish off the cat's tail. Bring it down. And then finish it off. Then what you need to do is you need to cut your silhouettes out. And finally, the third step is once your plate is dry and your silhouettes are cut out, what you're going to need to do is take your glue stick and stick them onto your plate. I'm going to stick my bat on first with a little overhang on the plate, and I'll add the witch I done earlier to finish off so give it a little pat down, make sure it sticks, and then I'll put cat. And there we have our Halloween themed paper plate silhouette. So guys, that's today's Halloween special over. I really hope you enjoyed making these paper plate Halloween themed silhouettes. I hope it's got you in that Halloween spirit. Like always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because we've got plenty more arts and crafts on the way. Have a great Halloween and we'll see you soon.